metal prices on the London Metal Exchange are mainly stronger this morning, the only exception being zinc, actually supported by some really strong economic data from China, including the gross domestic product that showed a growth of 6.5% year on year for the fourth quarter. That was stronger than the 6.2% which have been expected, and also up from 4.9% in the third quarter of 2020. So that is definitely supporting base metal prices this morning. We can say that the copper price right now is trading above $8,000 at $8,011 a ton, so that is almost 1% up. The aluminium price is trading at $1,983, the 3 months contract. That is almost unchanged compared to the closing prices of Friday. The only metal prices losing slightly is zinc. Zinc is losing, but only 0.13%, trading at $2,683 a ton, while nickel is trading at 18,165. That is a plus of 0.6%, and the lead price is trading at $2,005 a ton. That is a 0.5% up. Tin is trading at $21,150 a ton, still in a backwardation. That is a plus of 0.2%. On the precious metal side, we can see that the gold price is up by 0.4%, trading at $1,834 a ton, an ounce. Silver is also up, as well as platinum, roughly 1%. And palladium is slightly down at 0.1%, trading at $2,378 the ounce. On the currency side, definitely a stronger US dollar index this morning, which was also the situation at the end of last week. It's actually extending its gains. It is quoted at 90.86 index points, after we saw on Friday 90.32. So that is the reason why the euro against the dollar is of course poorer, trading at 120.72 pips right now. On the economic calendar, as I said, we had some pretty good positive figures from China, which was the GDP data, which was released. We had also data from China about fixed asset investment, which climbed almost 3%. We had also the industrial production figures in China, which climbed of 7.3%. The unemployment rate was at 5.2%, unchanged from November. And this afternoon we will have data coming out regarding the Eurogroup meeting. There will be a German Bundesbank monthly report coming out, and the Bank of England governor will also come up with a speech. So actually, despite most of the metals are being firmer this morning, and that beside the fact that actually the dollar is stronger, on the charts we can see that they are for the most part looking a little bit tired, which could increase definitely the risk of price corrections. For now, tin is holding up very close to its recent highs, nickel as well. We are quite close actually to the closing prices of Friday. Lead, copper and aluminium are also consolidating. Zinc is the only metal which is a little bit on the downside, as actually the price have broken below the support at $2,720 a ton. Well, the question is, will the other base metals also follow zinc? We think we are definitely in a long-term bull market, but as we said before last week, we can expect counter-trend moves all along this way.